Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Zaraz Car. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the opulent world of luxury customization with the 2024 Rolls-Royce Mansory. This behemoth of bespoke engineering takes the already regal Rolls-Royce and elevates it to a whole new level of extravagance. Let's buckle up and explore this masterpiece. Exterior. The first thing that strikes you about the Mansory is its undeniable presence. It's a bold statement, with a wide, aggressive body kit and an imposing grille that screams luxury. The flowing lines and curves are accentuated by the Mansory's signature paintwork, which shimmers like liquid gold in the sunlight. Every detail, from the intricately designed wheels to the bespoke badging, exudes a sense of power and refinement. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of comfort and opulence. The interior is crafted from the finest materials, with leather so supple it feels like butter and wood veneers that whisper of craftsmanship. The seats are like plush thrones, and the legroom is expansive enough to stretch out and relax even on the longest journey. But the true magic lies in the details. Mansory has added their own unique touch with bespoke stitching, custom inlays, and even a starlight headliner that mimics the night sky. It's a truly immersive experience, designed to pamper your every sense. Under the hood, the Mansory houses a monstrous 6.75-litre V12 engine that has been massaged by the tuning wizards at Mansory. This beast pumps out an impressive 610 horsepower and a staggering 950 Newton-meters of torque, propelling this land yacht from 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 5.0 seconds. This may not be a track car, but it has the power and agility to leave most sports cars in its dust. And despite its size, the Mansory handles surprisingly well, thanks to its sophisticated suspension system and electronically controlled dampers. What truly sets the Mansory apart is the level of customization it offers. From the paintwork and wheels to the interior materials and even the engine tuning, the possibilities are virtually endless. You can tailor this car to your exact specifications, creating a bespoke masterpiece that is truly one of a kind. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Mansory is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and design. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of luxury and redefines what it means to own a bespoke automobile. Of course, with a price tag exceeding $1.5 million, it's not for everyone. But for those who can afford it, the Mansory is a statement piece like no other. It's a symbol of success, extravagance, and a refined taste for the finer things in life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive automotive content. And if you're dreaming of owning your own piece of luxury, head over to the Mansory website to explore the endless possibilities. Thanks for watching.